guys, what's up? Today we're gonna have Tik Tok tutorial. Dance by Cara Canela and Jaden Gomez to Britney Spears song Give Me More. Let's go. The video will be mirrored for your convenience, and today we in the LaVida Studio wearing masks, so it's not gonna be very easy for us to dance. So give us thumbs ups and subscribe to my channel. We have Ira today and Adriana. They're my students and they're gonna help me with tutorial. I use two methods. One is accounts and second is lyrics. When you combine those two, I think you will get the clearest dance as you can. If you want to check how this dance looks even before I watch tutorial, go ahead and check link above, and also I'll leave you a link in the description below, and then you can return to tutorial and learn it. So in the first move, you bring your right arm across your body. So then you slide it to your chest, or you can slide it to your hip. There is two ways how to do it. First, you crunch your back, you curve your back inside, and when you slide, you open your back, open your belly, and the same, then you do opposite way. You do Lights almost fell. Okay, so here, curve everything inside, then stretch, curve everything inside, and then stretch. And the opposite way, we start with stretch back, and right now we imagine that we close our belly and slide everything like inside, and here open and then inside. So there is like quickly, briefly, two technique ways what to do. So if take counts, we start with a count method. We go 1 and 2 and. Then we put arms behind, bend our knees, and put our head to the left and roll around the big circle. So if you're gonna bend your knees, that will help you to move also your chest around and hips around together. So engage all of this. And with counts we have 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, sliding all the time. After that, there is two ways, two parts, yeah? So we're gonna do the first go, which is in front. We go, and so bring your palms down and in front diagonally, and then on 4, turn and bring your elbows behind your back. We have and 4. Let's repeat from the top. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. So here, when you do the first move, you shift your weight to the left, here to the right, then here weight between two legs, and here our weight on the right leg, and when we bring our elbows behind, we put our weight to the left leg. After that, we do the hip bump twice, up and up, and at the same time we can play with our fingers or put them slightly backward, it's up to you. Yeah, so we have 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and, then 5 you hold, then 6, 7. Also you can try to reach, I don't know, some point, and then bend your elbow and put it into the fist. It's up to you. I know that someone is doing like pump, pump, yeah? But I prefer that way. Okay, after we finish, we do it weight behind and we put our weight to the right leg. So I'm gonna show body first. We go to the right leg and we're not engaging our head. It's only chest, ribs, belly, hips. At the same time, our arm can do little wave, yeah? So we pick it up, our fingers, then we move fingers down, down, down. Yeah, so that's everything that we need to do. Here it was 6, 7, wave, 8. Then we put our hip again twice. And also what we can do, we don't need to twist it a lot, but we pick it up slightly, and also we pick up our chest a little bit, because the other person will do this like a lot. What we need to do, we flex our wrist twice, 1, 2. Yeah, so kind of showing that other person will do the chest lift. Okay, so we need to do 1, 2, then we go to the left leg, and we can do a little wave with arm, it's up to you. 3, put arms here, where your leg starts, here where your hip is. 3, and on the 4 you twist your leg and twist your hip. 4, only once, I show it twice. So we have 1, 2, you can do like with chest, it's up to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we don't need to switch places, we just straighten up our back and keep moving this way. Here you just go to the side and play with your fingers, yes? This is 6, 7, and here you clap. You can close your feet together, you can just clap, you can hop a little bit, it's up to you. So this is 8. Then on 1, watch the first girl is doing, there is like different way how to do the next move. She slides like a little bit in front and then bend it. Here you can flex, you can point. So I'm gonna stay with flex. And what arms doing? The right arm will stay on the thigh, the left arm will go behind. So here you can move it around your hip, like from here, that way or other way, it's up to you during that hop, yeah? And also what I like in this technique, when you put your leg in front and then to yourself, it's easier to hop in the end, yeah? So we're gonna move leg in front, then hop 1, then we make a step towards camera, yeah, so the right leg goes to the side. This is 2, and what we start to do, we turn our chin to the left and then to the right again. And we're not only turning like our head left, right, we kind of want to do like a little 8 around. Yeah, so like a little bit that way, a little bit that way. So we want to show our hair. Imagine if you don't have long hair, imagine that you want to move your hair around and around. Yeah, something like that. So we have left, right, and here's going to be really quick because this is 1, this is 2, and then 3, you already pick up your leg again. 3. Then you put your right leg down and show your bracelet. And 4. So on 4 you bring your elbows behind your back and bend your knees slightly. And then what we're gonna do with legs, we're gonna open them. And then on end you bring your knees inside. On 5 you open them. And then end, bring the knees inside. 6, open them, and you can go lower. And you play with your fingers, so it looks like and 4, and 5, and 6, and then you put your right arm on your neck, where your neck begins, and your left arm on the hip. And during, you're gonna do the squat, like lowering, yeah? At the same time, you start to slide with your right arm up and with your left arm down. 7, 8, yeah? So that's the end. Let's repeat the whole part with counts. So in this routine, we always have a pause on 5. So make sure that any roll that you dance, first or second go, on the 5, you just hold. We have 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and, then 5 you hold, then 6, 7 with 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you hold, then 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see, on 5 we always hold. Let me explain this part using lyrics. So what words we have? It's just not a lot of words. For the dance, there is a lyrics like the crowd is saying or something like that. So you can say that with your mouth before the dance. And then we go, give me more, 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 more. So like it's like the crowd is saying, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not the best singer, but I think you got it. Okay, so let's move on to the second go. Second part. It actually is not a big difference, just little tiny piece where you have different moves. We start with the same. Give me more. So here you can keep your head to the right. In order after that next move, give me, when you pull your arms towards your body, you change their head. So it was on the right after the roll, yeah? And then we go boom, and then to the left. Then here, you put your thumb up, and then the left arm go underneath, and you have that thumbs different way. And you go 6, 7. So what you need to check here, after N4, that your hip, left hip is up, and then you bring it to the right when you pick up your arms, then return when you put arms down, 7. Then we go and have wave to the left. Here we also can engage that arm, it's up to you, but what she's doing hand. She already has head on the left side, so she's kind of doing wind up to the right a little bit and do it again, like hey. Chest bump, you just need to pick up your chest, so squeeze your shoulder blades as much as you can and pick up your chest a lot. So this is 1, then recovery, then 2, then we go 3, and you can like do this scoop with your arm. 3, put arms on the thigh and go 4, yeah, twist your foot and twist your hip. Then we go 6 to the left, and here is everything the same. So here you can play with your fingers, or you can stretch and put your arm up, yes? That is 6, 7, 8. Then you just pick up the knee. So it's one option. You don't need to specifically like no follow her 100%. I just give you options. So this is 1, the same, 2, and then 3, pick up the same way, 3, and 4, and then 5, hold, 6, 7, 8. So let's repeat the whole part. We have 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, hold, then 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, then 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, 8. So it's the same lyrics, it's like the crowd is saying, and then give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. So right now I want to demonstrate how this looks with 2 people together doing different parts. Okay, so girls will help me with that. So the first girl is staying slightly in front, yeah? And we start with give me more, give me, and here, give me. So you see that move looks like she's pulling her hip up. Again, give me, and then you switch waves. More. Right now, Adriana will engage Eva's chest with arm and give me. So make sure that when you dance that in duet, you're kind of playing with that, and it looks that other person is like a puppet in here. And then we go 1, 2, then switch waves, 3, and here hip bump, 4. Then we go all together, same way, left to the left. 5, 6, 7, and then clap. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. It's like the crowd is saying, give me more. 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 Okay, so we have 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, then 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, don't forget to check Dance to Music. Link will be below in the description. And if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe to my channel, and let your friends know about it. And thank you. Bye bye. See you on the next videos.